Okay, student, next is question number 12. Though the question looks very lengthy, but it's very simple question if you work with it, okay, properly. Now see what they have said in the question. A villager, Itwari, has a plot of land of the shape of a quadrilateral. So I have already drawn. Itwari, he have a plot of land which is in the shape of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided figure. So randomly I have drawn this, okay. Now the Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corners. So the Gram Panchayat, they wanted to take a part of his plot, okay, from one of this corner. So four corners are there, right? So from one of this corner, they want to take part of his land, okay. Now obviously Itwali will not give it for free, right? So see here, from one of the corner or to construct health center. So they wanted to construct health center. For that region only they wanted to take a part of his land from one of this corner, okay. So land can be taken like this, in the shape of this one, or anything, right? But see here they have given condition. Itwari agrees to the above proposal. So he is agree to give a part of his land, right? Now see the condition what he have put, okay. Above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu, means equal amount of land in instead, whatever he will give it, for that exactly same amount of land he will, for example, in with this land the Gram Panchayat plot is also connected, suppose, okay. So what he wanted to say is, if the Gram Panchayat want to take part of his land, then he also must get the part of land from this part, okay. Exactly same amount he also need, they said, okay. He said should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot, means the part of land which he will take, it should be connected with his land, okay. So he will give part of this of his land, for example here, then he will also take part of his what Gram Panchayat land. Now obviously the Gram Panchayat land he will not take from here, because see, this part if he will give them, then this will be connected with this, right? This part is it belongs to the Gram Panchayat. Now if he take a plot from here, then it will not be connected to his land, you can see, okay. So if you have to take, if you give this portion to them, then he have to take from here, so that it will be connected to his land, see, okay. That's what the meaning is. So he want the land in such a way that it will be connected to his plot, and it should be equal amount, whatever amount he will take, exactly same amount they have to give, okay. Amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot, so as to form a triangular plot. Now this is the important condition given. So what he said is, the plot which he will take, it should be in the triangular form. So obviously if it is in the triangular form, this also he will give in the triangular form only, the plot which he will give. So if he take this part, suppose this part, then he will take this part equal, and this must be equal, okay. So they are asking, explain how this proposal will be implemented. So how he will give the land and how he will take land from them, this condition you have to put it here. So see carefully here what I will do. Now what he need is plot of land from Gram Panchayat. So suppose I will extend this land, okay. This is part of Gram Panchayat land, suppose. So he want land from here in a triangular shape, right? So suppose I draw triangle shape like this. Now I cannot draw fully here, because if I draw here, then it will be difficult to connect land to his plot from this part, right? So what I will do, I will draw till here, suppose. So this part he needs, suppose from the Gram Panchayat he will take this amount of land. So Gram Panchayat also will take part of his land, right? So from where the Gram Panchayat will take, obviously not from here, they will take from this part, because this will be connected to the Gram Panchayat land, okay. So if I have to take from one corner, now you have to take in such a way that this part, this portion of Gram Panchayat land must be equal with portion you will take from the Itwari plot, okay. So how I will draw the diagram such that it will be easy to show this and this part will be equal. If I draw triangle here like this, see carefully, okay. So I assume that this part Gram Panchayat have taken, and this part Itwari will take from Gram Panchayat, and it should be equal area. He will give exactly same amount, whatever amount he will get. Okay, so basically what I have to do is, now I will show them according to question they wanted to know, right? Explain how this proposal will be implemented. So I will simply show them that this triangle and this triangle, it is equal in area. Now how you will show that this area is equal? See carefully. If I can show this area is equal, then problem solved, right? This is how they will take the land. Okay, problem solved. Now the problem is I have to show that it is equal first thing. Now how you will show, and why I have taken this part only. So see carefully. This is a triangle, this is a triangle, right? Now see carefully. If I draw a line from here, okay, and I will take in such a way that, let me join this first. Okay, let me join this one. Now if I draw line parallel to this, from this to this, I will take a line in such a way only, okay, such that this line and this line will be parallel. I will take the line in such a way. If it is not parallel here, suppose parallel here, then I will extend this one, and this area I will decrease from here. I hope you can understand. Okay, I will take the line, this plot, this portion I will take in such a way that this end point, wherever it will reach, from there, if I join this one, this line and this line will be parallel. Now why I am saying this is, see, you have to show by any mean that the part of Itwari's land and part of Gram Panchayat line, it will be equal. By any mean you have to show. So see, if I do the construction in this way, means part of line if I take like this, such that this line and this line will be parallel, then see how easy it will be. I have to show this part and this part equal, right? See carefully, this line and this line parallel I will take, right? So if this line are parallel, see, I will draw separately. This line is this one, this is D, this is B, let me write down this one as E, this is E, this is A. Okay, I have drawn this one parallel, and land I will take in such a way only, right? Okay, let me draw this one a little bit more. This is your E. Now this is the triangle which you need till here, right? And you have to show this is equal to this part, right? So see carefully, this is parallel to each other. Now see, on this base you have two triangles consisting this triangle and this triangle. See carefully, on this base you have this triangle as well as this triangle, same base, right? And you can see this triangle is between these two parallel line, right? Between this parallel line, and this triangle also is between this parallel. I can extend this one, right, like this. If I extend this, you will see that this triangle is also between this parallel line. So what I mean to say is, see carefully, this kind of question we have already done. That's why I'm explaining that way only. This triangle is between this parallel line, and this is the base of this triangle. And even this triangle have this base and between this parallel line. Now I know property from this. If a triangle are on same base and between same parallel line, then their area is always same. So this triangle area, this triangle area is equal to this triangle area, right? But I have to show this and this equal. Now see carefully, if this is equal to this, can I say this and this equal? Why? Because this is the common region between this triangle and this triangle. So this plus this, whatever it is, this plus this also must be equal, because I know that this triangle area and this triangle area is same. So this plus this, whatever it is, this plus this also must be same. So if this is 3, suppose this is 4, this is how much? 7. So this also must be 7. So how much you will put here? Exactly 4 you have to put, then only it will be equal, this area and this area. So you can see this and this will be equal. Okay, so here the important step is this construction which you will draw. Okay, otherwise proof is very simple. To show this triangle and this triangle equal, very simple. This is parallel and they lie on the same base. That's why this triangle area and this triangle area is same. So if this is same, this and this also must be same. Okay, so you first draw this construction. So I will write down, let A, B, C, D be Itwari's plot. Itwari's plot. Let us extend This we are extending, right? How we have started the diagram. This was the quadrilateral, then we have extend this line, so I'm mentioning that only. Let's extend CD. Extend CD to E. Okay, then what we have done, we have make a triangular plot from the Gram Panchayat part, and we have made a triangular plot from Itwaris plot. So after that, let us extend CD to E and join BE. We are joining, right? This one BE, this is your BE. Okay, and let AE parallel to, before joining this one, let me write down, let us draw AE. First let's draw AE parallel to what I will say, BD. Parallel to BD we have to draw, right? BD, this one, parallel to BD. Okay, and or what you can do is, instead of writing this, let me include this also, and join BE such that, you can write such that AE parallel to BD. Notes I have already given to you. Okay, and join BE such that AE parallel to BE. Join this CD, you extend in such a way, this one BE you join in such a way that AE will be parallel to BD. Okay, you have to join in such a way, you have to take the plot of land in such a way so that it will be easy to show area equal. Okay, so these are practical problem actually. Okay, in practical life, how you will implement all this kind of problems, that is what it has been taught here. Okay, so this is not the only way to show. You can use any, I said, right, from any corner you select and try to show whatever part you are taking from the Gram Panchayat, same part you will give to the Gram Panchayat. You have to show that in writing. Okay, so any way you want to take, you can take it. A parallel to BD. Okay, now, okay, let me write in different page. Now what I will do, now since BD parallel to AE and triangle, you can see ADB and triangle DEB lie on same base. What is the base here? BD, and between same parallel line. Which one? BD parallel to AE. Therefore, can I write area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle DEB. So this two area, if it is same, which implies, can I write in this way? I have to show what? DE, this one, let me mention it O. Okay, area of ADB is equal to DEB. Now I have to show what? DOE is equal to, so this one I will write in terms of DOE and AOB. So see here, ADB, what you can write? ADB, can I write AOB plus this portion, area of AOB plus area of BOD. Can I write in this portion this way? This ADB area, I can write this area plus this area. Why I am writing in this way? Because I need this area. Okay, so this area I am writing in this format. So basically we are making one equation where I can introduce this and this. That's it. So this DEB, what I can write? DEB, can I write this plus this? Area of DEO plus area of DOB, DOB, okay, DOB. So from this you can see, or BOD, let me write BOD only, because on the left side also I've read, you will write DOB or BOD, doesn't matter, right, same thing. So you can see area of BOD will get cancelled, and what you will get here is AOB is equal to area of DE. Okay, thus you can see which part of the Gram Panchayat land Itwari will take, DOE, and which part he will give, AOB, he will give to Gram Panchayat. Okay, so you mention in the conclusion, thus Itwari will take area AO, not AO, DOE from Gram Panchayat. Okay, you mention that Gram Panchayat, and area AOB from his plot he will give to Gram Panchayat. Okay, Gram Panchayat you mentioned it. So that's it.